You finally sit down to relax, and your brain instantly grabs your phone again. You tell yourself it's just 1 minute, then suddenly 2 hours disappear somehow. Ever wonder why relaxing feels impossible unless your thumb keeps scrolling endlessly? It's like your brain forgot how to chill without glowing rectangles involved. Here's the weird part. Your monkey brain actually thinks scrolling is survival, and once you see why, you won't look at your phone the same. Part 1. The problem: you open your phone without thinking, like a monkey reaching for bananas automatically. You don't even enjoy it anymore, but you keep scrolling anyway. Your brain says relax, but your fingers say keep feeding me more bananas. Even when you're tired, your monkey still wants one last juicy digital banana. You close one app, then instantly open another like a confused jungle tourist. Silence feels uncomfortable, like something is missing from your environment suddenly, so your monkey panics and grabs the nearest glowing banana dispenser available. You tell yourself this is rest, but it feels strangely exhausting afterward. Your eyes hurt, your brain feels noisy, and somehow you're still unsatisfied. It's not relaxation, it's just your monkey chewing empty banana peels. Part 2. Why it happens. The science. Your brain runs on dopamine, which is basically your internal banana reward system. Every time you scroll, your monkey gets a tiny, unpredictable banana reward. Sometimes it's funny, sometimes shocking, sometimes useless, but always slightly interesting. This is called variable reward, like a slot machine for your brain. Casinos use this trick, and yes, your phone uses it too. Your monkey loves uncertainty because maybe the next swipe brings a better banana. Studies show unpredictable rewards release more dopamine than guaranteed ones. So your brain keeps pulling the lever, hoping for the ultimate banana jackpot. Meanwhile, real relaxation gives slow rewards, which your monkey finds boring. Sitting quietly feels like zero bananas, so your brain avoids it completely. Your phone becomes a fast banana machine, always ready, always tempting, and your monkey brain was never designed to resist unlimited bananas. Part 3. The deeper issue. But here's the twist. Your phone isn't just stealing time, it's stealing peace. Your brain forgets how to exist without constant stimulation and noise. Your monkey becomes dependent on bananas just to feel normal again. Silence starts feeling scary, like the jungle suddenly went completely quiet. You're not addicted to your phone, you're avoiding your own thoughts. And your monkey thinks those thoughts are dangerous predators hiding nearby. So instead of resting, you keep distracting yourself with more digital bananas. The real problem isn't the phone, it's your monkey fearing stillness. Part 4. Solutions. Solution number 1 is create a tiny no-phone zone, like 10 minutes daily without bananas. This works because your monkey slowly relearns that silence isn't a predator. Start small, like sitting without your phone while drinking tea quietly. Solution number 2 is delay your scrolling by 5 minutes whenever the urge appears. This weakens the automatic monkey habit loop that demands instant banana rewards. Solution number 3 is replace scrolling with a simple calming action like walking slowly. Your monkey still gets movement, but without the chaotic banana overload. Solution number 4 is make your phone slightly harder to access during rest time. Put it in another room so your monkey must work harder for bananas. Effort reduces impulse because lazy monkeys hate extra steps more than anything. Solution number 5 is schedule intentional scrolling time instead of random grazing sessions. This tells your monkey, bananas are coming, just not every second. Over time, your brain stops panicking and craving constant stimulation everywhere. These steps are simple, but they retrain your monkey slowly and effectively. Part 5. The payoff. Imagine sitting quietly and actually feeling calm instead of restless and distracted. Your brain becomes quieter, like a jungle finally free from constant noise. You start enjoying real rest instead of chasing endless digital bananas daily. Your focus improves, your sleep gets deeper, and your energy feels stable again. That moment when you don't need your phone feels surprisingly powerful. Your monkey finally chills, holding one banana instead of chasing thousands. Closing your brain isn't broken, it's just a monkey stuck in a banana casino. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more monkey brain insights. Join the community or membership if you want deeper control over your habits. Thanks for watching, and cue the chill jungle music now.